Hi everyone, welcome to CG Boss. I'm here to talk to you today about prompt engineering and why I don't think it is a high value skill. One of the things I see lately is everyone is trying to sell me a lot of, at least on Twitter or X, a lot of these prompt engineering guides. But it's one thing that you have to kind of learn when you start your journey into using the AI systems, right? Prompt engineering is basically a skill where, you give input to the AI system and it will give you an output. You see in your ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, AI Art, and various other AI tools where you have to give a text input and, it will come out some result. Now, why I don't think is a high value skill is because it has a very low barrier to entry. Anyone can, as long as you can learn to type, you will probably be able to learn the basics of prompt engineering in like less than 1 day. And then you can start getting good outputs. Just look at ChatGPT and things like Mid-Journey and Stable Diffusion. There is some technical hurdles, but those are to like install the software and all that. But generally, it's going to be like ChatGPT and DALL-E. You just pay your credits and you put in the text into the system, and it will give you the outputs, and you just keep iterating on it many times. So there is no like key differentiator with your prompt and my prompt. It's really dependent more on the AI systems that are being developed and how you communicate with it, which you can find out quite easily after a few tries of what the AI system is capable of doing. So that's why I think it's not a very, very high value skill, because everyone can do it. But still, everyone would still need to learn how to use prompt engineering. That's because as we move into if you're working in digital or moving more and more into digital, you're going to encounter a lot of AI systems such as ChatGPT, and AI, making AI art for your marketing materials. It's already happening. I know there's controversy surrounding it, especially for those vendors like Magic the Gathering. Like Magic the Gathering was recently called out, and I think Wacom as well. A few others, I can't remember, but off the hand. But you're definitely going to be encountering this. I have encountered this myself to generate some AI images for mood boards, concept ideas. Not the final piece. I mean, that's of course. I've never been asked to use the AI art as a final, but I have used it on my own little blog and some maybe social media posts to try out. It does save a lot of time, but that's a different topic. So we still have to learn it and know how to use it. But I think having prompt engineering as your like full job. I know there are some people that are called prompt engineers as a job, but it's not a key skill that will differentiate it. What will differentiate you is how you use the AI well enough to get good results that you need. So in the case of AI art, it's knowing the aesthetics, your niche, your target audience, and working the AIs to produce a result and modifying that result for whatever business task you have. Same for code generation. I know programmers use it for boilerplate code to like get the correct code out. Myself, I use it for like some scripting as a script checker, to see whether it can say, hey, we got this problem, I'm trying to write this code in some way, and you will give me some ideas and stuff like that. But you need to know the correct you need to have experience in working with what the actual either code or domain knowledge, specific domain knowledge. That's what I feel. If you don't know what is good, the AI will give you garbage. It will look like garbage, and you might take it wholesale and it won't work. Especially in the realm of code generation, I've done it before, and sometimes it doesn't work, and I have to go in and spend time modifying it. Yeah, so knowing what is good, the specific domain knowledge will help you go a long way when using these AI systems. So to summarize, in my conclusion, we have to learn prompt engineering and AI systems, but I still feel it won't be a key differentiator. And what will differentiate you and make you better is how you combine it with your specific domain knowledge, knowing from experience what is good and bad AI output, and working into these systems. We have to especially if you're in digital, you have to work with this system. So yeah, thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.